Mabior Garang the Mabior, the son of the late Dr. John Garang the Mabior, has returned to Juba. His arrival has raised many questions and sparked speculation that he may be soon be appointed to a senior position in the government. Mabior Garang is the eldest son of Dr. John Garang the Mabior, the founding father of South Sudan and the leader of the SPLM during the liberation struggle. Since independence, Mabior has remained an important political figure, though sometimes controversial. He once served as the Minister of Water Resources and Irrigation in the transitional government, and he has been active in peace talk and political debates. His return to Juba comes at a time when many children of South Sudan veteran leaders are taking up powerful role in government. President Salva Kiir's daughter was recently appointed as a special envoy. The daughter of Kwal Manyangjuk, a veteran SPLM commander, was given a ministerial post. Dr. Waniga's son was also appointed as county commissioner, and Joseph Lagu's daughter has even risen to the position of vice president. This pattern shows a clear trend. The old guard is slowly passing power to the next generation, often to their own sons and daughters. The speculation on Mabior's role is that for Mabior Garang, many eyes are watching. He is seen by some as the natural heir to father's political legacy. A report from SPLM insiders suggests that Mabior is interested in the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation. If appointed, he would be responsible for representing South Sudan across the world, building diplomatic ties and improving the country's image abroad. Supporters view that Mabior say he is well suited for this role. They argue that he has international exposure, political experience, and carries the powerful legacy of his father. They believe that his appointment would bring fresh energy to South Sudan foreign policy and give the country a stronger voice in the international community. Critics concerned, however, not everyone agrees. Critics say that the recent wave of appointment based on family background is not healthy for the nation democracy. According to what they say here, they warned that leadership should be based on merit, competence, and the will of the people, not family names. According to this critic, if political positions continue to be passed down like inheritance, it could block other capable leaders and weaken accountability. In Juba, Mabior return has created debate on the street and online. Some South Sudanese welcome him, saying the son of John Garang deserves a place in leadership. Others remain cautious, asking whether he will serve the people or simply protect political interests. This development highlights the big question for South Sudan: how will leadership transition happen in the future? Will the country see a smooth handover from the first generation of leaders to the second, or will the rise of political dynasties deepen division within South Sudan? For now, all eyes remain on Mabior Garang. His next step will be closely watched by citizens, political analysts, and even the international community, whether he becomes foreign minister or take another role, his return marked an important moment in the politics of South Sudan. We have another report, another news from South Sudan. On September 6, 2025, a Mexican citizen who was among 7 people deported from the United States in July this year has been officially returned from South Sudan to Mexico. The Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation earlier confirmed that the group of 7 foreign nationals arrived in Juba on July 5, 2025, after being deported from the U.S. The deportees were part of a controversial transfer that include people with criminal records such as murder and rape. On Saturday, Ambassador Apuk Ayuel Mayan, spokesperson of the minister, announced the departure of Mr. Jesus Munoz Guterres at Juba International Airport. We are here today to witness the repatriation of one of the 7 foreign nationals who were deported from the United States, Ambassador Apuk said. According to her, Mr. Guterres was handed over to Ambassador Alejandro Estevil Castro, Mexico designated ambassador to South Sudan. Ambassador Castro is based in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, and personally came to Juba to take custody of the deportee. Ambassador Apuk noted that the repatriation showed the minister's role in managing deportees sent to South Sudan from other countries. Ambassador Estevil Castro, while addressing reporters, thanked South Sudan government for their cooperation in the process. He said his team worked closely with Juba officials to prepare the document and arrangement needed for the safe return of Mr. Guterres. He explained that he would travel with Mr. Guterres to Addis Ababa and then escort him all the way to Mexico, where he will rejoin his family. This case has been handled in a respectful way, and soon Jesus will be reunited with his loved one, Ambassador Castro said. He also revealed that he had met South Sudan Minister Foreign Affairs and discussed a way to strengthen ties between Mexico and South Sudan. Speaking briefly to the press, Mr. Guterres himself expressed gratitude, and he said, "I thank the authorities of South Sudan for treating me with dignity. God bless South Sudan," he said. In another developing story, Adut Salva Mayadit visit Eastern Equatoria, promised to raise people concerned to the president, her father. According to this developing story, in Torit, South Sudan new presidential envoy for special program, Adut Salva Mayadit has promised to take the problem of Eastern Equatoria directly to President Salva Mayadit. She made the pledge during her first official visit to the state on Saturday. Speaking to a large crowd in Torit, Adut says she purposely chose Eastern Equatoria as the first state to visit since her appointment because of its long history and importance in the country. It is fitting that Eastern Equatoria is the first place I visit in this role. This land is a historic site for our nation, and being here today is a meaningful step in responsibility given to me by the president, she told the gathering. Adut explained that her trip was not just for show, but a way to see the people directly, greet them, and learn about their struggles. I came to listen, I came to see, and I came to understand what challenge you are facing, she said. The envoy assured the people that she would act as a bridge between them and the highest office in the country. She said, "I will carry your message with me to the President Salva Mayadit, my father, and I promise to bring you feedback after discussion in Juba," she added. Adut stressed that solution would only come through teamwork and open dialogue Whatever we can do together, we will do. We will set priorities and begin new work as partners, she noted. To keep regular contact with Eastern Equatoria leadership, Adut assigned her executive director, Joseph Wall-Akon, to coordinate closely with the state government. She praised Governor Louis Lobong for guiding the state with strength and encouraged continued cooperation. Governor Lobong warmly welcomed the envoy, calling her visit an important moment for the state. He reminded the audience of Eastern Equatoria historical role in the country and commended the hospitality of its people. The governor further assured Adut that Eastern Equatoria was ready to work hand in hand with the national government to move forward with development program. Adut visit is being seen as a sign that the new administration wants a closer engagement with local communities and a more practical approach to addressing people concerned. If you are new to this channel, I would like you to help me by subscribing to my channel, and if you want to continue listening to all the message I'll be uploading here, I would like you to hit the notification bell so when I upload a new video, it will notify you. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.